action.
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting there. Like I said, we're not going to touch the carpet yet. I want it to get acclimated to its new home. I still have to
like to
trim.
lay the carpet?
Yes, I want to lay the carpet. I'm hoping that the Berber doesn't scrape my... But I'm bumped. But no, we're going to do the back first. Get that in place. Not trimming. Just getting it in place. Get it glued. Get it, get some weight on it so that it'll stay.
And we definitely need to glue it because the kill mat's a little slippy.
Yeah, so it won't be cool when people get in the car and go zink and the carpet pulls right out from underneath them. No.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
So we'll get everything shoved forward, or I'll pull the front carpet out, and then I'll do the back first, get that glued and taken care of.
Nice.
So we've got a little bit of glue to spray for the one rubber piece to go back on so we can keep everything on. Hey, Andre.
Hola.
Oh, Andre.
Those look nice.
They came out really, really... Compared to what they were, these are brand new. And he doesn't want brand new. He just wants nicer.
Nicer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's really, really cool. He wants to do complete resto mod because there's so much that we're changing.
Resto mod.
Yeah.
Resto mod.
Yeah, exactly. But the headliner in this is flawless.
It beats a Crusto mod.
Yeah, exactly. So we're getting a little bit of time. We're going to have, as you can tell, the cameraman is staying pretty much on me because we're not going to show you the back yet.
No.
So there's going to be a bit of a reveal that'll happen with that.
Who did the Dynamat?
I did.
Looks nice.
Scotty went to town.
It looks good.
Yeah, every nook,
Well,
cranny.
it's not Dynamat because Dynamat is
Overpriced.
overpriced. Yeah.
But this stuff is, I really like this stuff.
This stuff is exactly the
It was
same.
easy to use, easy to form. I didn't have any issues cutting it or nothing. You know how like some of the other ones are they're just trash?
Yeah.
This stuff is really, really, really good. So it'll be nice and quiet for the guy.
Kill mat?
Yep, kill mat. But yeah,
You know
so
who introduced-
Dynamat's little brother.
You know who introduced us to this? Sam next door.
yes, with the Astro
With the
van.
Astro. Because
Yep.
he's doing his
Oh,
sound
a
system.
great guy. Great guy.
Awesome. Yeah, we love Sam. He's like, hey, I got this stuff. I know you guys are looking for something. Let me bring you a sheet. Check it out. And I looked at it and I said, oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, this stuff is really, really nice. We enjoy it a
Well,
lot.
Dynamat is great, but it's so overpriced. It's
Yeah.
not even funny. I remember when it first came out.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Oh, my God. Everybody was flocking to the store to buy it.
And then it got popular, and it's like, are you kidding me?
Oh, yeah. What they want for one box, we got like 5.
Exactly. And
We bought 3 boxes of 50 square foot for less than the price of 50 square feet of Dynamat
Yep.
in 30 mil.
Yep.
yeah, because I have to get stuff for the C8. I gotta get the heat stuff.
Yes, Jimmy,
Oh,
he's
yeah,
going to
that's
do
right,
it on a
that's right.
brand new vet. You know why? Because Andre's crazy.
No, because
I
the
looked at
trunk
the
is way
CL
too hot. The
Yeah.
trunk gets really, really hot because the engine's right back there.
Yep.
So you take the forward part off and you just put the heat.
Jimmy, watch
Block.
my shirt. Left.
Yeah, it's wiggling.
It's because my muscles spasm out again.
Wiggling.
Oh shit.
Just.
Are you having a
little.
spasm?
Yeah, up top.
Scotty, I think it's time for you to clock out and go play with your toys.
Oh my god.
The ones
yeah.
that vibrate.
Oh shit.
He's wearing it now.
Call me again, Bobby. Call me again, Bobby. Call me again.
Why do you think he's a ring?
Um,
Fire in the hole.
but yeah,
Hey, my
we're,
beverage is over there. Be careful, man.
we're gonna do a reveal on the next video, which will be tomorrow. So a little bit of a wait.
Are
I'm
you
not
gonna-
letting Bobby look in any other part of the car except right here,
Yeah.
and we'll let you guys go on that note. So 3, 2, 1.